Hello students. So today we are going to do the second part of construction of quadrilateral. In the last class we have studied how to construct quadrilateral when four sides and a diagonal is given. Now what is the condition second? Constructing a quadrilateral when two diagonals and three sides are given to us. We have to construct a quadrilateral when two diagonals are given to us and three sides are given to us. Two diagonals, one, and these two diagonals are given to us, and three sides, 1, 2, 3. Instead of 4 now, three sides are given to us, any three sides are given to us, and two diagonals are given to us. So we'll construct quadrilateral in this case. So let's start the exercise. So question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral left with the following measurements. So let's make a rough diagram. Always make one rough diagram. So it helps us in making the fair diagram or construction one. So we have to make lift LIFT. Now label this LI 4, IF 3, TL 2.5, LF 4.5, this diagonal LF 4.5, and IT 4. This is 4. So two diagonals and three sides are given to us. So let's construct starting with LI. Now, what is LI, children? 4 centimeters. So draw the arc radius 4 centimeter. Draw the measurement 4 centimeter. First of all, starting with LI 4 centimeter. This is 4. Give the name LI 4 centimeter. Now, see the point. Which point first of all we have to make? See, first let's make F point. LF 4.5, IF 3. See, LF 4.5 and IF 3 centimeter. So this F point we'll make first. So we'll draw the arc radius of LF 4.5 and IF 3 centimeter so that they will intersect the point F. Then we'll join these two. Okay, so let's start L to F 4.5. On compass, take measurement with the help of ruler 4.5. This is 4.5. Now draw the arc of 4.5 with LS center and arc radius 4.5. I have drawn the arc. Now next one is I to F 3 centimeter. So again measure 3 centimeter. So this is 3 centimeter, children. So I to F mark. This is 3. Okay, now join this. This point is come to be known as F. Now join. And this one also, L to F. Label it 3 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. Now see, here again comes to rough diagram. Now our next point is T. L to T and I to T. Because this time FT not given to us. L to T and I to T. L to T is 2.5 and I to T is 4 centimeter. So first 2.5 and then 4 centimeter. So let's measure 2.5, 2.5. So L to T, draw an arc, and I to T, I to T is 4 centimeter. So let's measure I to T also 4 centimeter. So this is 4. Now cut the previous arc. So it meets here at T. Give this name T. Now join L to T, I to T and F to T. So children, we got label everything 2.5 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. Thus, this is the required quadrilateral. Therefore, thus we can write thus left is the required quadrilateral. Understood, children? Now we'll do the second part of it. Next one is quadrilateral gold. So again, let's make rough diagram. So GOLD gold. Now label everything. What is measurements given to us? OL 7.5, mesh 7.5, right? GL 6, G2L diagonal is given to us 6 centimeter. GD 6, GD is 6 centimeter. This side. LD 5, OD 10. This diagonal is 10 centimeter. So 3 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 2 diagonals given to us. So also we can construct a quadrilateral uniquely. So 2 diagonals, 3 sides. So let's start from OL 7.5. So first make OL 7.5. Take ruler, measure 7.5. So I am taking 7.5 measurement. This is 7.5. Name it OL. O and L. 7.5 centimeter. Now children, our first point. What will be the first point? See. What will our first point is D. We have to draw first of all D. OD 10 and LD 5. 10 and 5. We have to make O to D 10 and L to D 5. First point is D. So 10 and 5. So let's take the arc radius 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter. On the ruler, let's take first 10 centimeter. With the help of ruler, measure 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. Now draw an arc of from O 10 centimeter. So I have drawn one arc like this. Now what is next? L. L to D. L to D is 5 centimeter. So again draw the arc of 5 centimeter so that it intersects the previous arc. Take 5 centimeter on the ruler. This is 5 centimeter I have taken. Now from L, cut the previous arc. So we'll get the point D. So this point is D. Now join L to D and O to D. Level it also. This is 10 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Now up to this triangle we have drawn. Now see the next point. Next point our is G. See here G. DG. DG 6. LG 6. This diagonal. This OG is not given to us children. So D to G and L to G. D to G is 6 centimeter and L to G is also 6 centimeter. So both are 6. So we'll draw from D 6 centimeter arc radius and from L also 6 centimeter arc radius so that they will intersect at G. So now we'll take 6 centimeter measurement. So this is 6 centimeter I have taken. From L to G or D to G. First D to G. So this is 6 centimeter. And from L to G also 6 only. So no need to measure again. So already we are having 6 only. So we got the intersection point as G. So G is the intersection point. So now we have to only join all L to G. Then O to G. Then G to D. So in this way, see, our quadrilateral is constructed. So we'll write thus gold is the required quadrilateral. And label it. This is 6 centimeter. Every time don't forget to label 6 centimeter.